The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Come take a test drive today.